Greetings to one and all. Today we will be discussing on the topic Chakrasana or the wheel pose. Chakrasana comes under the cultural asanas which was first mentioned in the Ashtanga Vinyasa and also known as Urdhva Dhanurasana. Chakrasana is one of the best backbending yogic pose which is very popular around the world and practiced by many acrobats and gymnastics for their enhancement of flexibility. So let's start with the practice. So first come to Sthiti Dandasana. From there fold your right leg first, keep it under your buttocks, then fold your left leg. From Vajrasana slowly come to standing position. First lean down, then with your both legs stand. From Namaskara Mudra slowly raise your both hands up, bicep touching the ears. Now bend backwards as much as you can till your hand touches the ground. Now adjust yourself according to your flexibility. Now maintain. After maintaining for some rounds, slowly readjust yourself. Take your hands back. Now again come back to standing position. Come back in the same way. Slowly come to Namaskara Mudra. Drop down your hands. Now again kneel down with one leg at a time. Now come to Vajrasana. Now slowly take your legs one by one forward. Now slowly come to Sthiti again and relax yourself. Now let's talk about the benefits of Chakrasana. Chakrasana is one of the best yogic practice for asthma and other respiratory disorders because the practice stretches and expands the lungs and the chest muscles, which in turn takes a lot of air for inhalation and exhalation, improving the oxygen level in the body, and also it circulates mostly to the brain and to the chest areas. So it in turn helps in the eyesight and the concentration of the person. And the stretching of the spine because of the back bending is very good for back pain. And the longer practice of Chakrasana improves your stamina also. It also improves your kidney function and all other GIT issues. So that's about Chakrasana. Thank you all.